Hi, this is a very short video on how to create a quote for a customer on Eskimo. Now, as you can see, we're in the customer section. Here we are in the customer section, the grey bit here, and we're in the personal details of the customer. Now, at this stage of the process, you would obviously have had the customer's details in, his trade-in, vehicle of interest, and such. So we're just going to jump straight into the quotation section. You simply click on quotations, and here we see this customer already has quotation done, but we are going to add another quotation forms by simply pressing this blue button here. So we click on that, we can see the vehicle of interest he's interested in, which is the 2018 Mazda 6. We can see the fact that the quotation is valid for 14 days. The finance option is HP, it's a used vehicle, and we can look at here the add-ons. These add-ons can be added in automatically using your account settings if you're a sales manager, for sales managers looking up. So here we have the quotation section. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, we're going to put in an odometer reading to his trade-in, 120,000, let's say, kilometers on it. So go in there, and here we are for things like his deposit. His deposit is 1,500, and as you can see, the system is starting to calculate the cost of finance, or what the balance is. But in some situations, the customer wants finance, so we just put in 48 months, let's say. We select the finance house, we'll at this stage like Bluestone, or we can just simply overtype the APR. But because we have our finance houses preloaded, we'll just choose Bluestone. Now, like the add-ons, the finance houses can be preloaded in the account setting, so if you're a sales manager looking on. So we put in 48 months, we put in the APR, we put in the finance house, and then this gives us the monthly payments, and then we have the cost of credit, and that's really easy. Customer might then ask for see the quotation over 60 months, for example. So instead of changing the 48, we can just simply add another option by clicking this blue button here to add another finance option. So we click on there, we scroll down, and we put in 60 months. We'll choose the same finance house, and again the system then starts to do the calculations for you. So that's it. You can then save the quotation. Now, if the customer wanted to do something slightly different, wanted to give you a bigger deposit, instead of having to go through the whole process again of creating another quotation, you just simply go to the edit function here, which the pencil mark. You click on this, and we go into the quotation, and we change the deposit to €2,000. And again, just save it. That's it. Very quick, very easy. But let's say the customer took a shine to another vehicle on the forecourt. So instead of going in again and having to create another quotation, everything else stays the same except for the vehicle. What we do is we go here to the duplicate, and we can copy quotation, and we simply edit the second version that pops up. So what we'll do then is we'll then choose another vehicle. We'll look at the Nissan Qashqai, pre-reg Nissan Qashqai. So there we go. That's it. Everything else has stayed the same. Trade-in stayed the same, deposits stayed the same, finance house, everything else. So it's just a simple case of saving that quotation. And there we go. So we have our two quotations. Now that's it. A very simple, very easy way of creating a quotation for a customer. We'll just show you one little step extra for turning the quotation into an order form, for example. So what we want to do is we just want to click on the $sign. And then that's it. It starts you on the order process. Again, just making sure you fill all the details of the customer, and it brings you down to the end where you do your sign my form if you're going that far on Eskimo. So there you go. A very quick video on how to create a quotation for a customer on Eskimo. Thanks for watching.